Hello and welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we're going to be doing a 2021 Matchbox. This is the 2020 Honda E from the Matchbox Metro series, and it's number 1 of 100 for 2021. Look at the card work there. The first vehicle, well, the first car in the 2021 Matchbox Mainline. GVX31's the number. Honda 2020 Honda E. This is the only variation that exists. There we are. Not a very clean open, but it's a cool ride. We got it in white. Got some different like painted headlights. Got painted taillights as well. Pretty cool casting. Got the nice white color, and we cannot see through the windows, so I can safely assume that there is no interior on this casting. Got these sport 6-spoke wheels on it. Hood scoop. And you can see those painted headlights. They're actually blue, and it says Honda E on the license plate. And we've got the Honda badge. Mirrors, we got mirrors. Mirrors are evident on most Matchbox vehicles. Here is the back. Honda E on the license plate once again. All the wheels spun well. I'll give you a nice look at it right here. 2020 Honda E Matchbox. 2021 Matchbox. Got a plastic base on this one. And this is the only edition that came out. Yeah, it's a plastic base. Made in Thailand with a 2020 copyright. That's probably when they designed the casting. Small little car, I really like it. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe for more.